The magic of small savings. In this simple and eye-opening video, Wealth Wagon will decisively explain to you the power that resides in your savings. So, let's begin. Scenario 1. Your monthly income is 50,000 rupees, of which you spend 40,000. You make insurance premium payments of 3,000. 4,000 you put into the bank. The rest 3,000 you invest in mutual funds. For simplicity, we assume a fixed income and mutual fund contribution for the next 20 years. By investing 3,000 in mutual funds every month at an annual return of 15%, you create a corpus of 39.25 lakh rupees. Scenario 2. Your monthly income is the same. You continue to make insurance premium payments of 3,000 and put 4,000 in the bank. But there is one change. You reduce your expenses by just 1,000 and add that amount to mutual funds. Now your monthly mutual fund contribution is 4,000. For the next 20 years, you put 4,000 rupees into mutual funds every single month. At an annual return of 15%, the corpus you create is worth 52.33 lakh rupees. With an increased contribution of just 1,000 per month, you end up with 13 lakh rupees more. Now we move to a very interesting aspect. You have generated a corpus 20 years from now through investing, after which you stop contributing. This corpus is then allowed to grow at 15% annually for the next 10 years. But this is not it. Every month you also make a withdrawal from the corpus to fund your monthly expenses. The final assumption here is that by the end of 10 years, your corpus gets exhausted. This concept is known as SWP or Systematic Withdrawal Plan. In the first scenario, with an investment of 3,000 per month in mutual funds, you created a corpus of 39.25 lakh rupees. This corpus will allow you to withdraw 61,000 rupees every month till the next 10 years. In the second scenario, with an investment of 4,000 per month in mutual funds, you created a corpus of 52.33 lakh rupees. This corpus will allow you to withdraw over 81,000 rupees every month till the next 10 years. With an extra investment of just 1,000 rupees every month, you have allowed yourself to extract another 20,000 per month for 10 continuous years. This is the power of small savings and correct investing. Now let us look at some key points that will place emphasis on why saving to invest is extremely important. Long-term investing has the power to give returns unmatched by any other asset. If you are willing to stay patient, you will reap incredible returns. Inflation is a feature of every developing economy. In such an economic environment, it is imperative to put our money into assets that comfortably beat inflation. Equity is the best option. The corona crisis has shown in the most cruel possible manner how short life can be. If the breadwinner of the family dies, how will the rest of the family survive? It is here that a good corpus of wealth becomes vital. Through equity, you can deal with such unexpected financial shocks. Wealth can only be made through compounding, and compounding needs time. Hence, the sooner you save, the more time you give your money to grow. And the more time your money has, the greater will be your wealth. The last point is one we wish to place stress upon. There are many top quality facilities and services around us that we wish to obtain for our families. But how to do that? The price of a Mercedes won't come down to fit our comfort, nor would the cost of getting treated in a world-class hospital. It is we who have to improve our purchasing power to meet the prices of services and products. A millionaire can acquire anything even if he keeps all his money in the bank. But we cannot. Hence, if your savings are small, it is even more important for you to invest and grow that money at the best return possible. We hope you better realize how saving and investing can prove to be a great boon for your future. Wealth Wagon is working to expand financial and investing literacy, and we will continue to come up with similar videos that benefit the common investor. Thank you.